Asuntoskeittiö Nervanderinkatu 7 in Helsinki. Täällä Helsinki. Staircase A. T1923 8165. Seventh floor. Probably it doesn't have memory. Yeah. So it's almost torture. At least those from Finland said that the machinery has been replaced. But not in the 90s, but yeah, earlier maybe. But it's also possible that the machinery is still original, but probably it was replaced. Or at least upgraded somehow. Ground floor. 3 processor and 40 kilograms. Is by lift control Finland, maintained by pääkaupunkiservice-keskus. The doors are rare, and these are the oldest original Kone elevators, or almost original, that I have been. Or, of course, I've been in the Museum of Technology in Helsinki also, but yeah, so that's the oldest one, but these are the second oldest ones. And these signs are not original, of course, but the other one has original sign inside. is not completely original, but still, or maybe it was completely replaced, but still it is elder home storage shelf. Okay, that's